Well, so today I'll discuss Bima Sugam. Bima Sugam. So insurance has long been a pivotal instrument for financial security and risk mitigation in a country as vast and diverse as India. So nevertheless, the complexity of insurance products has sometimes posed challenges for many citizens. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority will introduce, or is about to introduce, the Bima Sugam scheme to tackle these issues and simplify insurance procedures. So this innovative initiative has the potential to revolutionize the insurance horizon, making it more straightforward and more accessible for a wide range of policyholders. Now let us understand what is Bima Sugam. Bima Sugam will be an online platform where a consumer can select from various schemes provided by the different companies, catering to all insurance needs, life, health, or general coverage. It will offer various claims from health coverage to death claims in a paperless mode using policy numbers. So the platform's online process will identify, purchase, settle claims, and manage policy renewals. What will be the benefit of Bima Sugam? This scheme will offer several advantages, making it an attractive option for various demographics. For example, transparency. So the simplified structure and clear terms of Bima Sugam policies will enhance transparency. You will be able to easily understand what your coverage includes without the confusion of intricate clauses and jargons. Secondly, accessibility. Bima Sugam by IRDAI will enhance inclusivity by serving individuals who struggle with the complexities of conventional insurance products, thereby making insurance more readily available to a broader demographic. Then ease of purchase. The streamlined nature of the Bima Sugam platform will make the purchase process simpler and quicker. So the ease of acquisition will encourage more people to opt for the insurance, promoting financial security for a more significant population segment. Then who will get the benefit of Bima Sugam? Because this plan will help customers, because it will significantly lower the commissions they get and make the paperwork for processing claims much less. It will give you everything you need for your insurance in one place. You can buy insurance, pay for it, and get your claims sorted in one spot. You do not have to go to the different companies or websites. Then you can keep all your insurance details in one storage space, making it easier for your family or whoever you choose to manage your policies if something happens to you. So the Bima Sugam in insurance is a significant leap forward in the Indian insurance sector, aiming to make insurance more understandable and accessible for a broader demographic. Its simplified structure, transparent terms, and focused approach will bridge the gap between traditional insurance products and the potential policyholders who find them challenging to navigate. So this initiative represents a pivotal step toward ensuring that insurance is not only a tool for the financial security but also an understandable instrument that is within reach for all segments of society. Now the question is, What is the progress in this direction? So recently in a meeting, the chief of IRDA had reviewed the position. Significant progress was reported on the Bima Sugam projects. Notably, the filing formalities for incorporating the Bima Sugam entities are complete. The entity will be incorporated as a Section 8 non-profit company under the name Bima Sugam India Federation. I repeat, the entity will be incorporated as a Section 8 non-profit company under the name Bima Sugam India Federation. So the process of appointing the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer along with other key management personnel is nearing completion. So during the meeting, the business structure of Bima Sugam and updates from various subgroups, including operations and technology, were reviewed. So the proposed first directors of the company also engaged in an informal discussion regarding the broad plan of action for launching Bima Sugam. Revolutionizing insurance access. Bima Sugam will be revolutionizing insurance access. Because the Bima Sugam is a groundbreaking project for the Indian insurance sector. The initiatives is set to democratize and universalize insurance in India, making it one of the first initiatives of its kind globally. The first phase of Bima Sugam is expected to launch in April 25. The successful incorporation of Bima Sugam India Federation as a non-profit entity paves the way for appointing key leadership and finalizing the operational framework. This initiative embodies the power of technology and innovation to improve the insurance experience for all. So the collective efforts of all stakeholders are critical, and we are confident that Bima Sugam platform will play a pivotal role in achieving insurance for all by 2047. Because this is revamping the health insurance regulations. The meeting of the IRDA recently notified a health insurance regulations and master circulars. Then these regulations substantially revamped by the regulator aim to ease the overall experience for the policyholders. So designed to empower policyholders and enhance transparency, this master circular aligns perfectly with the vision of making insurance more accessible and customer-centric. These comprehensive reforms, along with the collective efforts, are expected to significantly improve customer satisfaction in the Indian insurance industry, reinforcing the country's mission to provide accessible and reliable insurance solutions to every Indian. So the General Insurance Council, constituted under Section 64C of the Insurance Act 1938 by the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India in 2001, serves as a crucial link between the IRDAI and the non-life insurance industry. It advocates for industry issues with the government and facilitates overall growth for the industry in a fair and equitable manner, benefiting all stakeholders. So the Bima Sugam first phase is likely to launch in April 2025. First phase of Bima Sugam is expected to be launched around April next year. So this is the current situation, because significant progress has been reported on the projects, and filing formalities for incorporation of the entity that is to be incorporated as a Section 8 non-profit Bima Sugam India Federation has been completed. The business structure of Bima Sugam and updates from various subgroups, including operations and technology, were also reviewed. Additionally, the proposed first directors of the company engaged in an informal discussion regarding the broad plan of action for launch Bima Sugam for council was also consideration. So Bima Sugam is a revolutionary project for Indian insurance sector and poised to democratize and universalize insurance in India, and possibly one of the first of its kind across the world. So the first phase is expected to be launched around April 2025. The Bima Sugam, along with the proposed women-led distribution channel, Bima Vahak, and comprehensive insurance cover, Bima Vistar, from the trinity proposed by IRDA to enhance insurance penetration, especially in the hinterland. So the successful incorporation of Bima Sugam India Federation as a non-profit entity paves the way for appointing the key leadership and finalizing the framework, operational framework. So the collective efforts of all stakeholders are critical, and the regulator is confident Bima Sugam platform will play a pivotal role in achieving insurance for all by 2047. So the developments have been reviewed and the results will come in the next year only, because from April 2025 onward, this one will start functioning. So this is all about the Bima Sugam first phase. Thank you very much.